Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Sailor Chibi Moon Pullip doll, Pullip, I don't know. These dolls are really pricey. When I was looking at videos on them, there was not that much available, and I understand before you're going to spend $300, $400 on a doll, you want to check them out. So that's what I'm going to do for you today. So just quickly, my doll is used. I bought her on eBay. I guess be careful when you're buying from sellers on eBay or other third-party sites to make sure that they are authentic, because you don't want to get scammed. $400 for a doll. The sticker here is supposed to be the authenticating sticker. Yeah, let's get into this. Here she is, the cutest doll in the universe. She has ball joints, articulated joints, so she can move around. There's the movement there. She's got super cute little like latex pleather costume with the little bow in the back. The little bow on her is kind of loose, like the skirt. I don't know if it was like that or if it's just because whoever owned it before me was messing around. So she's got little boots, heels, so cute. So when you look under the skirt here, not to be creepy, it has a little DAL tag, and this is like a weird pull-up slash doll DAL collection. So that's a good sign that it has that tag. She's got the little bow in the front. Their eyes don't do anything. They're not like Blythe dolls where they move. Hair looks like this. You can see here. She's got the little clips to keep her tiara on. I'm sure you can kind of comb it to make it a little less obvious. These things are kind of cheap, to be honest. It's almost like cardboard, and they are put into her little buns there. But her face is so cute, and she's got the little choker thing on there too. Oh, and her choker's on backwards. There we go. So her choker has the little heart, which matches. Now it should also come with a stand. It's like this, and then there's the other piece to hold her up. I've tried to put her up on the stand before and it didn't work so well. So I don't know if I'm not doing it right, but I still have to display her properly. If you're checking out her hands, they're super adorable. The gloves are kind of meh. They look kind of like little oven mitts. It's kind of funny. Overall, I think she's super cute, and I wouldn't have spent the money on her if I didn't think it was worth it. I'm happy with her. I think she's adorable, and I wish I had more. Okay, see you, bye!